Welcome back to Logic and Critical Thinking, Philosophy 210. I'm Dr. Kirsten James Dunn, and I am sharing with you about how to make a presentation. How to make a presentation. First of all, you got this. Be confident. Second of all, please bring a video clip, book, story, cartoon, picture, or song, or other item that you can use as a visual aid to discuss your philosophy of life or worldview. This item should be something influential upon social development in either your own life experience or society as a whole. Discuss what influence this item represents to you and why you think it was or is important. The presentation should last approximately 3 minutes. I know, not much time to present a whole worldview. I therefore recommend focusing upon something simple. For example, I once had a student that introduced themselves, told us what their academic and professional goals were, and then for worldview held up their car keys and explained that freedom and mobility were to them the most important things in life. Their car represented that to them. It was freedom, an extension of their being. They explained that they had had to work hard to get their car, but to them life without freedom was not worth living. Examples used in this exercise in the past have included sacred text, family photos, Jewish soldiers, Jimi Hendrix version of the Star Spangled Banner, wedding dress, a clip from The Simpsons, many other things. Now I'm going to use the lyrics of the song Alfie, which is also in the course text, chapter 14, although perhaps when you're listening to this, we will no longer have a course text, but it's a part of chapter 14 of a book called Think with Socrates. And I use it as providing an approach to giving a presentation as an exemplar. Students sometimes find this helpful, sometimes not. Some students have brought in, again, a family photo and simply spoken about it. It's up to you. And that's all there is to it. So, in the interest of time, rather than share an actual song, I'm simply going to tell you about the film and lyrics of the song. If you want to check out the song, you could follow the link. And again, this PowerPoint example is in week 3, and it's under the section that says how to make a presentation. My philosophy of life according to Alfie. Alfie, Alfie Darling, and Alfie. Hello again. My name is Dr. Kirsten James Dunn, and today I'm going to share my philosophy of life through the lyrics of the film theme song Alfie. There have been 3 films based upon the concept of Alfie, a handsome, smooth, unrepentant player. Alfie is streetwise, hard-hearted, and selfish. From his perspective, the primary purpose of trust and intimacy is to take advantage of the emotional vulnerabilities of others, especially women. All of the films about this character strive to show that while he may be charming, the way he leads his life is careless and objectifies and uses other people for his own selfish ends, is wrong and ultimately unfulfilling. Alfie must learn that love and truly caring for others' needs as well as his own is the key to a good life. So here are the lyrics. What's it all about, Alfie? Is it just for the moment we live? What's it all about when you sort it out? Are we meant to take more than we give, or are we meant to be kind? And if only fools are kind, then I guess it's wise to be cruel. And if life belongs only to the strong, what will you lend on an old golden rule? Now, the golden rule is the adage, do unto others as you would have others do unto you. As sure as I believe there's a heaven above, I know that there's something much more, something even non believers can believe in. I believe in love. Without true love, we just exist. Until you find the love you've missed, you're nothing. And when you walk, let your heart lead the way, and you'll find love most any day. I skipped all of the Alfies in there. It's a little repetitive. It makes more sense when it's sung. But I believe that. I believe that love is an important and transformative part of our lives, that without it, our lives are much less meaningful. So if this were a formal presentation, I would be handing out a bibliography and asking you to complete critique forms, but this is not that. We're just sharing our beliefs. Formal or not, I always conclude a presentation by asking if there are any thoughts or questions. And finally, I always thank everyone in the audience for their time and attention. So thank you for your time and attention, and I look forward to seeing everyone next time.